We are just crazy about owls this week, and this book is to blame. So keep watching to see all the cool owl crafts we came up with this week, and I promise you do not want to miss it. So stay tuned.
What a wonderful world.
Hey everybody, welcome back. I am the activity author and I am relaxed and ready to go from my trip from San Francisco. Y'all, I had a good time last week. So you know what they say, when you have a vacation, you relax, you're ready to go. So the ideas are flowing, honey. But before we get into this video, I want you guys to do me a favor. Yeah, I know I want y'all to like this video because you already gonna love it. So go ahead and hit that like button and then hit that subscribe button so you can subscribe to the channel, know every time that I post, and hit that notification bell, honey. And also follow me on Instagram because Halloween is one of my favorite months, and I'm gonna have a lot of reels and short videos and ideas of what you and the kids can do this Halloween to make it special and memorable. We're gonna be painting pumpkins, decorating pumpkins, carving pumpkins, and y'all don't want to miss none of that. So go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, Activity Author, and I will see you there. So today's video was inspired by the book The Night Owl by C.Lee, and we really enjoyed the beautiful illustrations in this book. My kids could totally relate to the main character not wanting to go to bed, and it was just so funny to see all his antics after his mom turned off the lights and how he uses imaginations and all. This book is really super cute, guys. It really is. A great book that kids can all relate to, and it has a great way to encourage kids to use their imagination and get them ready for sleep and nap times, and so they don't, protest like my kids do. But really, your child is guaranteed to go to bed with a smile after reading this book. So this is a great book for bedtime and nap time. Now, if you want to find out more information on how you can get this book, the story, please look in my description box right now. And don't forget to check out our author, Miss C.Lee. Now, she's pretty extraordinary in my opinion because she has more books and she is a really, really good connection for business owners and other authors because she has a master class that teaches people how to use Canva. She can teach you how to hook your website up and make it look visually pleasing. So I think you guys should definitely follow her on Instagram because she got a lot of things cooking and she is so talented and just a woman of many talents in design. Yes, she is. So go ahead in my description box, go find out how you can get this book, find out how you can follow Miss Kim, and you will definitely won't regret it, I promise. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and get into these crafts that I have for you today because I went overboard. I'm not gonna lie, I went a little overboard. So the first thing you want to do is grab a white crayon, start drawing some stars all over your child's cardstock. I'm using cardstock because it's a little thicker. And you know what? You can see this in the mystery painting video that I did a while back. Click that card up top and you'll see what I'm talking about. But I did something like this in a previous video. But have your child go ahead and put a generous amount of paint. My daughter is not being generous enough, child. Normally she puts a lot of paint all over the paper. I don't know why she's being so stingy today. But have them paint all over the paper until it's fully full of watercolor, right? And if you want to get an idea, look at how I'm painting my paper versus how my daughter's painting hers. I got it full of color. That's what you want your child to do, just like this. And it should be still really, really wet. That's when you put the salt all over it and then you let it dry with the salt on it, and it has the best, coolest, cutest looking effect, and it actually looks like a starry night. That's why I call this the starry night painting. And there's my daughter's. We're gonna do the exact same thing for her. Oh, I mean, sometimes you gotta help them out, bro. Because y'all telling her to put the salt all over the paper. She put it in one spot. Go ahead and let it dry. And when it dries, it looks like this. Beautiful, right? Doesn't it look like a nice little galaxy? That's what I was going for. So lots of blues and purples and a hint of green, but those are the colors you want to use. And of course you could use black if you want to, but I think this way looks a little bit cuter in my opinion. You could leave it or you could add more decorations on top. I just happened to find these stars inside of my craft kit, so we went ahead and put those on, and I'm putting them around the edges because I just figured out another craft we could do while doing this one. So get 2 plates, and then you're going to make an owl by cutting out some triangles, putting it for the ears, taking the other plate, cutting it in half. This is going to be our wings, so we're going to cut it in half again, and then we're going to cut out a U to make it look like some wings. And you can glue these wings on or you can staple them on. Oh, you can use Googly Eyes or you can make your own eyes by following what we do here. And this makes it adorable. Now you can be done, but my daughter wanted to put some feathers on the wings. This is totally optional, but if you got time, go ahead and put some feathers on the wings, and you can also paint the owl if you want to. And that is it. I just showed y'all 2 crafts in one. Don't y'all love when I do that? I know you do. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the next craft I got for us going on today. Now, y'all know the main character, how he has that hooded owl onesie. Well, that is what I thought we should make. So we're going to make an owl headband using any color you want, but we're going to go ahead and use purple because that's one of my favorite colors. Go ahead and cut your sheet in half and sketch out what looks like a bat, like a Batman type of shape, and that's going to be our owl head. Cut that out, and then take the other sheet that you didn't use yet, cut it in half like this. That's going to be the band, and we're going to make some eyes. I thought we'd go ahead and make these eyes together because, you know, owls are kind of like bandits in a way. They're like the bandits of the night. You can put googly eyes, or you can make the eyes like we did in the previous craft, like this. And then all you need to do is attach the band and you are done. Super simple. And as y'all can see, I am gluing the headband down on the headpiece. However, you can staple it if you don't have time to wait for it to dry. That is fine. Go ahead and measure out your child's head and staple it to the circumference of their head, and you're totally done. This one is so simple, so quick. And there you have it. And here's my daughter in her PJs modeling it like our main character from our story. How cool, right? It really does look like that hood that he's been wearing the whole time. Now, this is the time where I usually leave you guys and say bye, but I got one more idea I just gotta show y'all. So take a paper towel roll, go ahead and bend in one side like this, and then bend in the other side on top of it like this. So this can look like an owl's head if you really use your imagination. I think it looks like an owl head. And that's it's all. I couldn't keep that idea to myself, so I had to share that with you. It's cute, adorable finger puppet. So guys, if you enjoyed my craft video today, please make sure that you subscribe, because like I told you, I have a lot of Halloween craft videos coming out, more book inspired videos coming out. So you only have to subscribe to know when I post, because these videos are going to be sporadic. I'm not going to just be posting on Sunday. I'm going to be posting throughout the week. So please make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know every time I post. Also, don't forget to like this video because you stayed to the end, so you must like it, right? So go ahead and like the video, and then don't forget to drop down in the description box right now and see how you can get this cute book that inspired all of these crafts today. Follow the phenomenal author and keep watching, because look, there are 2 videos you can click right now to keep the party going. I know you love me, so go ahead and click the next video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.